I wish I didn't have to walk the railroad tracks tonight, but this is the quickest way from my house to the train station. And, of course, the only ticket available to Cedar Grove was tonight. Man, some of these trees look like they're gonna reach out and grab me. Anyway, I'll be glad to get the last of my belongings from Cedar Grove and bring them back to my new place. Oh good, the switch track to Black Hollow. I'm just a few minutes from the station now. Oh great, this better not be my train. This doesn't look anything like my train. I'm supposed to be riding the Townsend Torpedo. This train looks really old. I feel like it's searching and lost. Why is it here? Hello? Well, whatever. I need to get to the station. Ah, finally the station. And there's my train. I think I'll ask this couple if they know anything about the train I saw a few minutes ago. To my shock, the woman tells me that the Townsend Torpedo has been sitting here on the tracks for the last 40 minutes, and that no train would have been able to pass through here. So I explained to her that a green train came down these tracks and stopped right in front of me just a few minutes before I got here. A green train? She gasps. Yes, the whole train was green. The engine, the coal tender, and the 2 passenger cars were green. Was the number on that engine 8302? Yes, so you did see it. No, I haven't, but girl, you need to understand something. That old train disappeared back in the 1920s during a really bad rainstorm. How could it just disappear? Nobody knows. It was on its way to Cedar Grove, but the landslide blocked the track. Presumably, the train backed up and took the alternate route through the town of Black Hollow. So the train should have arrived at Black Hollow. Yeah, but it didn't. The river was at flood stage and completely wiped out the old bridge to Black Hollow. The weird thing is, no trace of that train was ever found. It's been lost ever since. Some people say that on stormy nights, that old train can be heard searching the rails, trying to find its way back home. Boy, I really can't wait to get to Cedar Grove. Oh no. The conductor tells us a landslide is blocking the tracks. We'll have to detour the long way through Black Hollow. It's been said that history repeats itself, but in such cunning disguise that we never detect the resemblance until the damage is done. If those words are true, I can't help but wonder what awaits us at the Black Hollow Bridge.